Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nura, one of our GP trainees here in the UK. I'm originally from Malaysia. I want to shout out to my 96 subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I'm quite happy. I can't wait for it to reach 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share my channel to your friends. Today is a bit different. I will be reviewing my favorite thing for this month, which is my new phone, which I have just got it over the last month. I traded in my old Samsung S9 Plus and got this new phone for a trade down value, and also with the current promotion I got the free Samsung watch which I'm using at the moment. So the reason why I love it so much is because it can literally flips, and I feel that the screen is so cool. Like, you can fold the screen. I keep touching the screen where you can fold it. The second thing that I love the most is it's such a big screen. It's much bigger than my S9 Plus, but actually it folds and it becomes smaller, and it can fit into my pocket easily, and even in my scrub or in my wallet bag. It's just so convenient to carry, and it's much lighter and much thinner. And the third is I can flip this and I can take a selfie with the back camera, which is so cool because obviously, as you know, selfie with the front camera is not as good quality as selfie with the back camera. And the next thing is I love that I can have a video call or record TikTok or watch YouTube hands-free, and instead of just like leaning on it or have to have this standable ring, I can just fold it and just put it on the table and film myself. The thing that I love the most about this phone, and actually one of the biggest reason why I got the phone, is I can customize my phone. So I love, like, I can change the themes, the live wallpaper, and even the front screen. Like, I can just tap and the cartoon come out. I can personalize everything. So basically this is the themes that I'm using. I love it, and it's so quick to charge as well. It only took 1 hour I know that people keep saying that the battery is the downside of the phone, but I find that battery is enough for my use. It's also fingerprint friendly. I can't remember all my passwords. I can just log into all my accounts just using my fingerprints. If you think of getting it, then you should. I got it in lavender, which is my favorite color. I love pink, but I don't like the pink in the Samsung Flip color. I'm in love with pink of the new iPhone. Anyway, I got it in lavender, which is the same color as my previous phone. Lavender as well. I wish I could get this cover in lavender, but unfortunately it was out of stock, so I had to order this green one, which is fine. I bought from Samsung, and actually I quite like it because it's kind of like rubbery, and it's got wrist ring, so I don't drop my phone. And actually, because it's so grippy, that I can just put it on the table and it won't fall off. And now that is very useful. I have 2 children and they love to play with my new phone as well. I didn't get any screen protector for the front because I'm worried that it will damage the screen protector that Samsung gave for Gorilla Victus screen, but I just got screen protector for the cover screen. Anyway, I love my new phone so much, especially now that my free Samsung watch has arrived. I even love it more. I think using these two together is perfect combination. I'm in love with my Samsung watch. I've just been using it for the past 1-2 weeks. I can track my steps on it. I can record my ECG, which is amazing. I actually recorded my husband's ECG as well. I can record my sleep, so I've been wearing it during sleep, and then I noticed that my deep sleep is not enough. I've just been getting 5% deep sleep. I don't know how to increase, so basically I need to improve my sleep. But that's great, because if I don't have this watch, I wouldn't know that I haven't gotten much sleep. And I love that I can customize the watch background, and it's so cute. This cartoon keep prompting me to finish my steps. So sometimes when I'm watching my favorite TV series on Netflix, what I'll do is, because the watch prompted me, so I will just walk just to finish my steps. Anyway, those are the things that I'm enjoying. I'm sorry it's a bit tacky, but I love this too. Been using it quite well, every day, basically all the time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you. Bye.